Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll continue our discussion of noun modifiers and explore some additional rules. Noun modifiers can take the form of measurement, age, or value. For example, we can say, Parker is a 3-year-old boy. Here, 3-year-old serves as a noun modifier, describing the age of the boy. When we use noun modifiers, we place them after adjectives but before the nouns they modify in a sentence. For example, Anna bought a beautiful antique table for her dining room. In this sentence, antique is used as a noun modifier to describe the table and comes after the adjective beautiful. It's important to note that the noun acting as a modifier is almost always singular. For example, we say, don't forget to bring your library card to borrow books. The noun library is a singular and acts as a modifier of the noun card. However, when we use nouns that are normally used in the plural, such as pants, sleeves, glasses, shoes, trousers, gloves, etc., as modifiers for other nouns, we must use them in the singular. For example, we say pant leg or scissor handle. In the sentence, Minu grips the scissor handle to cut the paper. Scissor is the singular form of the normally plural word scissors, used to modify the noun handle. Remember to apply these rules when using noun modifier to provide specific details about nouns. It will help ensure clarity and accuracy in your writing and communication. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more language learning content. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll cover other language topics. See you next time!